Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a creme brulee latte. First, gather all your ingredients, including espresso, milk, and various syrups. Next, we will brew the coffee and steam the milk to perfection. Then, combine everything in your favorite mug. Finally, we will create that signature crunchy, caramelized sugar topping using a kitchen torch. Let's get started on this delightful coffee creation. To begin, you'll need 1 to 2 shots of freshly brewed espresso or strong coffee. For the base, prepare about 8 ounces of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. You'll also want 1 tablespoon each of vanilla syrup and brown sugar syrup to sweeten the drink. And for that iconic finish, have 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar on hand. Now, let's assemble your latte. First, brew 1 to 2 shots of strong, hot espresso directly into your mug. While that's brewing, steam about 8 ounces of your milk until it's hot and has a nice, light foam. Carefully pour the steamed milk into the mug with the espresso. Add 1 tablespoon each of vanilla and brown sugar syrup, then stir everything gently to combine. The final, magical step is creating the creme brulee topping. Carefully pour a very thin layer of heavy cream over the top of your latte. Then, evenly sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar across the surface. Using a kitchen torch, caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crunchy, and glassy layer. Be careful not to burn it, and enjoy your perfectly crafted creme brulee latte.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.